How's it going, guys? Yomitosh here, bringing you another Jailbreak Wednesday video. And I'm a bit on a tight schedule right now. I'm trying to make sure I get to the iOS 11.3.1 beta 6 before it stops getting signed. So I'm just going to go through this pretty quickly. And the first tweak I'm going to show you is Glacier. And Glacier is a control center tweak that removes the other elements that give it that gray look, so it basically looks as if it's almost like glass. So I'm guessing that's where the Glacier is from, more like ice. So yeah, so like an icy transparent look, so that's pretty cool. And the other slew of tweaks, a few good ones. So we now have like a bunch of icons that we can add to our control center, so App Store, Cydia. So kind of like the way you have like different buttons for cameras, you can also add these apps, so specific to whatever app you want. So Deezer, the Electra app itself, the Facebook app. So really handy if you want to like just get into those apps really quickly from your control center. So I recommend you check these out. And pretty much the last one for today is Straw. So what Straw does is gives you a banner anytime the song changes, and you have the option to also change a few other things. I'm just going to go into the Straw settings now to show you. And yeah, you can make your screen wake when the next song changes, and you can disable the notification on the lock screen. So if you don't want to see your next as a notification on the lock screen, you can disable that. And you can also disable the now playing notification on the notification control center, which I currently have disabled. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Pretty quick. Hope you were able to get all the details from the tweaks of today. Anyways, see you in the next one, likely to be on iOS 11.3.1 jailbreak, and peace.